The quick lock system is our original design, streamline and super easy to install stainless steel wire balustrade system for metal posts. To install, mark out and drill all your posts at the required spacing and hole size. This system requires 8.5mm holes in the end posts and at least 7.5mm holes in the intermediate posts. Thread the swage stud onto the flip lock nut, ensuring that the right-hand swage stud is wound into the right-hand flip lock nut. Screw the swage stud, not the flip lock nut, the minimum amount possible for the wire to hold. Insert the flip lock nut into the pre-drilled hole and rotate to lock in place. Pass the opposite end of the wire through the pre-drilled intermediate posts. At the other end, thread the left-hand swage stud into the left-handed flip lock nut. Insert the flip lock nut into the post hole. Tighten both ends evenly by rotating the wire in the same direction using the ProRig Multi Tool. Once the desired tension has been achieved, lock the system in place by tightening the hex nuts against the head of the flip lock nut. Repeat to finish your installation.